welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, as you know, Maxine is still on the Lorraine saga, and it's a never ending thing, but once again, she's on it. Now, she's talking about, well, she's on the phone talking to someone about the situation with Lorraine when Lorraine went to Canada, what Steve had to say, and more. So, for more information or for the juice of this video, you have to go ahead and check it out. And like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
You remember, I don't know if you went watch the video when he just got Canada for the first time. Well, the first time when he go to Canada and he have the video they run when he reach a Canadian border, and the one through Ontario where the waterfalls is, that's the one they went through. So while she going through there and have the phone running, we have to hide the phone because she can't make them know say she run the phone. Because I look for the video and I can't find the video. Because me personally that drive go straight to the waterfall spot there so and give them the video, but the video is not there anymore. I just want a little piece when she go in the bathroom and get back her passport. And with that little piece that she show. So when they were going through the border, let me tell you the story then because I love chat people business. And while she was going through the border, when she reached and the immigration man said, "Oh, you guys are visiting and stuff like that," and everybody, yes, and he asked everybody then date of birth and then this and then that, take them passport from them and everything. When, remember one of that girl went in the car, you know. When them reach and they go on, the immigration man said, "Whose car is this?" And you know Stephen D. Brown can't tell no lie because then lock them up right at the border if they ever tell no lie. Steve says, "My car, my insurance," and can love chatting, you know, can chat your fault if you're not tapping in chat you all day and not tap. And Steve tell them say a theme car and thinking me laugh to me piss up myself. Me say, but no, this is the same car Lorraine when come out and say was man buy game. Your husband no buy no car game. You think Steve an idiot? What you think? Yes. She does look nice. That's what me they tell you if them just went follow back a ladana. If them just went follow back a ladana, each one of them and come out. You know, see each one of them, I swear to you, each one of them that come out and talk them truth is like God just throw some pretty powder upon them. Can you imagine? They should not, yes, they should not thank God. You know me not miss nothing. They shouldn't thank God me come out and burn the fire. From me burn the fire and them a come out, you know, see the people them look different. Oh my God. Me say yes. And not cartoon alone, you know. Not cartoon alone. Look at Sophia. Me say, you know, see how the people them look good. I'm pretty all over. Me not pretty by both sides. Me pretty all over. When me hear Steve say, I feel him care, me laugh, me say, why Lorraine not stop this foolishness? Why Lorraine not stop this foolishness and tell people say no have a piece? You know, have nothing. Not even the drawers why have on. No belongs to him. Lorraine won 3 drawers in her own lifetime. 3, you know. That me sure saying won 3 drawers in her own lifetime. Tell people say your own house, cause nobody no care. You have to live in a house somewhere, somehow. I don't care if a few house, a borrow house, a rent house, a lease house. I don't care what kind of house. You have to live in a one house, right? Look here, he went build one house long time in a 3 years ago in Jamaica where they at the house today. He build a new house now. Look, listen to me. Me dey on the live, me dey on one live with her, and she dey talk to workman, and she a talk to her lawyer, and she a talk to her doctor. And who dey on the line? Maxine. I am telling you, don't listen to that liar cracker teeth, no teeth girl when she says she's on the line. Oh, I'm on the line with my lawyer. I'm on the line with my doctor. I'm on the line with my workman. You know, they on the line with no workman. You know, they on the line with no lawyer, no doctor. This girl set up things before he come. In the panel line with regular somebody like me and you. With me and you. You're talking to a cartoon and tell no lie, not talk to no workman. Talk to what kind of workman? Not talk to no workman. Yes, somebody enough time me dey on the line and she dey call and she talk to this. Remember, say when we have the how much house in Florida, you know. Me I win one in house, you know. Remember my daughter's house was one of her house. She had 3 houses in Florida. Don't forget she had 3 houses in Florida and 1 in America. She did have 3 houses in Florida. I was one of the houses that she have in Florida. And the swamp plan was one of the house. It was just a swamp plan and Steve never want the swamp plan. That's why Steve give up the swamp plan. I don't even know if she get back the money. She never have any house nowhere. There's still no house in America. Remember, it is established now 4 years after that the house that she live into Maryland as Steve Pitney house and not even for Steve house. Because Steve borrowed so much money pan all these per trip where you see Steve they go up and all of them sitting there. He borrowed so much money pan the house that he have to turn over, then remortgage the house and he turn over to the son. He no feel no more. That's why you're not here. She they chat about it no more because she don't have no way, shape and form of even that house don't belongs to her. And everybody know it now, but and then everybody know all of them are sitting there, and yet the people them sit down, they jump and prance and they do like, come on now people, no have to wise up now, you know. Wise up now because it's not making no sense. It's embarrassing for them, but they don't care. Why they should not call themselves one different name? Because now that everybody know the truth, like the book truth, who you are, you don't have nothing, you don't have no clothes, you don't have no shoes, because you have to walk over the whole of Florida. My house was, that day, my house was not the only house where she go pick up Holbrook. My house was not the only house. You should not see when pick up down in Florida. Me say the girl pick up so till he can send a barrel go to Jamaica, pure old broke. And people think say me come out and me oh, Maxine, you're so bitter. Maxine, you're just giving some jokes. Me not giving no joke, a serious something. A serious something. In go down a Marine. Me not call Marine no Marine me they talk. In go a Marine yard. The girl would have take out even the old sinting them one Maureen saying the dash way. She want them. And she and Maureen a friend for a long time. Me not joke. I don't know joke me I make. A girl wanna have nothing at all. Oh, she tell Sophie say Sophie not live nowhere and she wait in a Sophie house. Well, the same son tell me the same thing too. Remember, say them say me homeless, you know. Yes! Remember the first day when he reached in a Sophie kitchen My Sophie couldn't pass for twin, you know, the two of them dance same way. I don't know how they say me, I don't know how they say me and she dance same way, but me and she no dance same way. She and Sophie couldn't pass for twin. The way how Sophie love her, Sophie dance like her. Me and dirty Nancy Lorraine. Me admit no liberty them a take. And I don't want them take no liberty of me. So me nah miss a beat after me no deaf. Them tone deaf. Huh? Lord Jesus. Lord. Me think I lie then I tell. Me think I lie then I tell because if me put on you and show you, Lord Jesus, you know how much man ball, like literally ball. Hey. Hey. Yes. Lorraine fi tap, don't look here man, Lorraine fi tap then sit there. At time fi give up now and tap them foolishness there. Everybody say you don't have nothing. Everybody know you don't live no way. Everybody know you don't live no life. If you go into a restaurant and you don't know how to behave yourself and how to act, you talk. But it's just a common restaurant. No, it's not a common restaurant. From you have to make reservations for going and people them sitting and stuff like that. It's not a common place. Learn to behave yourself. Learn to act like, you know, me can't say act like lady. Yes. No, if she have somebody like Michelle behind her, because remember this girl live by people boosting you up to make you feel good, you understand? So if she have somebody like her behind her, pushing her all the time, like you're somebody, baby, you're somebody, you know nothing, you know nothing. Yes, I girl that. Because if she, after they behind her, they tell her, say, look here, you are somebody. Go tell them, say, this and that. Hey, you see some people all on my social media platform, then come on, pan there, you know, and then say, good morning, and I not pay them no mind, you know, because I don't want to pay them no mind, I don't want to talk to them, I don't want to say nothing to them. And then sit down over YouTube until they start, because you know, say, you're a loser and all of this thing there. It is like then sad you're freak, cause then over here they look. Then sad you're freak. You have some come on, hey, there is one on my social media platform where no miss a beat. No miss a beat, morning, noon and night then over there. And then can come on, come say, you know, you can't give up now. You know, say you lose. Losing a what? What have I lost in? You know, say me they win. You know, say me they win. Me I try to figure out what they matter about. Eh? You know, see, everybody come out, they run and ball. Everybody, they get exposed. Every single one of them get exposed, you know. Every single one of them. I think me feel like a bigger fire. Then they expose bad, you know. No one then kick over in the fire, you know. No one then kick over in the fire. Me say I'm so happy. I am so happy. Look how much weeks now they no call certain somebody name. How much weeks. It's like them dumb. It's like them dumb. Me say no man, she's supposed to torment in a fear bed.